President Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen, will testify publicly before Congress tomorrow. He'll reportedly reveal details of the president's alleged criminal conduct. Rick, what do you expect will go down tomorrow, and how ugly can things get here?
Well, this could either be underwhelming or it could be a total blockbuster. And as congressional testimony goes, I think this is going to be up there with the Kavanaugh hearings from last year, when we all were hanging on how is this going to go, and will he be able to persuade a couple more Republicans to get it. So that nothing like that is at stake. But Cohen knows probably as much as anybody about the internal workings of Trump's businesses. He was basically one of the top lawyers there, a consigliere, kind of a factotum, a senior factotum, Trump said all over, to pursue deals in Moscow. We know he did not go to Russia, but we know he was the point man for pursuing a deal there. There are all sorts of questions. How much did Trump personally tell Michael Cohen to lie to Congress? So Michael Cohen has now been convicted of lying to Congress. He has acknowledged that he did that. Did President Trump direct him to do that? Are there other ways in which President Trump might have tried to persuade Cohen to do things that look like obstructing justice? What about the payments? What about the hush money payments to the two women Trump had affairs with, which now appear to be campaign finance violations? I mean, Cohen was convicted for those two things as campaign finance violations. The legal filings say Trump, a.k.a. Individual One, was completely aware of that. So was Trump sitting there at the desk when Cohen wrote the check? How overt was Trump's approval? We assume it was pretty overt. So these are just a few of the niblets that could come out of this.
Sure. Niblets
on the other hand, a lot of what Cohen knows has already leaked out. And it's possible we don't actually learn much else that is new to the sort of common knowledge of what's going on here.
But if people are looking for things that could come out that are new, it would be in relation to what may have happened when President Trump was in office.
Both, yeah,
perhaps
because he was
wrongdoings that may have come out.
Sure.
In terms of that.
It could, by the way, the inauguration, which federal prosecutors, not even the special counsel Robert Mueller, but federal prosecutors in New York appear to be looking into whether there was funny money played in the inauguration. I mean, there is just everything about Trump. Michael Cohen had a hand in up until the point when his office was raided, which I think was first half of 2018, at which case this really blew up. So it's probably going to be fascinating.